This is the first lesson of the second term. Okay, triangles and quadrilaterals. This is the 12th lesson. Triangles. In this segment, we should learn the sums related to triangles of obtaining of related to find the sum of interior angles of triangles. You know that the sum of interior angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. First, let's find the value of x of this triangle. This is x, this is 60 degrees, this is 50 degrees. X plus 60 plus 50 degrees equals to 180 degrees. X plus 60 degrees plus 50 degrees equals to 180 degrees. At these two values, x plus 60 plus 50, 110. 110 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Now the value of x can be taken that you could subtract 110 degrees from 180 degrees. This plus 110 degrees and minus 110 degrees can be simplified. So the value of x can be taken that 70 degrees. Okay. The other sum. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. This is a. This is a. This is 100 degrees. Uh, Setting up an equation, it could be taken the value of a. You could see a. So 2a plus 100 degrees equals to 180 degrees. So 2a plus 100 degrees, you have to subtract 100 degrees from both sides. Simplify plus 100 and minus 100. After that, 2a equals to 80 degrees. Both sides should, so you could see 2a equals 80 degrees. Therefore, both sides could be divided by 2. A and b can be simplified. So the value of a can be taken that 40 degrees. Next sum. This is x. This is x minus 10 degrees. This is x minus 20 degrees. How can you calculate the value of x? This angle plus this angle plus this angle equals 180 degrees. So x plus x, 2x plus x, 3x. 3x, here minus 10 minus 20. Minus 10 minus 20. You have to add these two values. So minus 10 minus 20 minus 30. Minus 30. So 3x minus 30 equals to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. This is okay. First step is obtaining an equation in terms of x. So 3x, here minus 30 you could see, therefore it is added plus 30 to both sides. Now you can simplify minus 30 and plus 30. After that 3x equals to 130 plus 30, 180 plus 30. The answer 210 degrees. Both sides should be divided by 3. Then the value of x is 70 degrees. Okay, you know that the sum of interior angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. How can you calculate the value of how can you calculate the value of x and y of this sum? X and y of this sum. This is x. This is 30 degrees. Uh, this is 90. This is y. Can you imagine? How can you calculate the value of x and y of this diagram? The value of x can be taken first. You could take how can you calculate the value of x? To be calculated the value of x, you need this value. This is x. It is given that this angle equals to 80 degrees. So you could take this triangle, obtaining this triangle. I can name it as ABC. Consider the triangle ABC. Considering the triangle ABC, you shouldn't think of this line and this angle. Considering the triangle ABC, you could take the value of x. X plus 30 degrees plus 80 degrees equals to 180 degrees. 30 plus 80, 110 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Plus 110, subtract minus 110. Now simplify. Plus 110 and minus 110. X equals to 70 degrees. Now, the taken value of x could be you can use in order to calculate the value of y. Now here we have taken that x equals to 70 degrees. This is 70. This is 70. Now you shouldn't think of this triangle. Now you could see this triangle. Now you can calculate the value of y. Y plus 70 degrees plus 90 degrees equals to 180 degrees. 70 plus 90, 160 equals to 180 degrees. Y plus 180 degrees plus 160 degrees minus 160 degrees equals to minus 160 degrees. These two can be simplified. The value of y is equals to 20. Okay.